Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Samsung Music Player in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Play Store and then search for Samsung Music Player. And here you can see Samsung Music, then just tap here, then tap on install. Now it will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now just give it a moment. And the download is complete. Now just go to your app screen. And here you can see Samsung Music Player has been installed successfully. Now just open it, then tap on continue, then tap on continue again, then tap on allow, then tap on allow again to get notifications. And here it is. Now your Samsung Music Player is ready for use. From here you can find your playlist. Also if you tap on tracks, and from here you can find your all the song. Also if you tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here you can customize your Samsung Music Player settings. You can change your playback speed from here. Now if you go back, then tap on three dots again, then tap on sound quality and effects, then tap on equalizer. You can also customize your volume from here. And that is how you can download Samsung Music Player in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.